Most manufacturing quality teams are running two systems, a QMS for document control, change management and nonconformances, and a separate LMS to track whether anyone actually trained on those changes. That gap is where audit findings live. eLeaP is built differently. Every quality process, document approvals, change orders, CAPAs, risk controls, automatically triggers training for the right people at the right time. No manual handoff, no spreadsheet tracking, no wondering whether your floor team is qualified on the latest revision. When an auditor asks for training records tied to a specific corrective action, you pull one report from one system. eLeaP is designed for manufacturers operating under ISO 9001 and IATF 16949, with modules for document control, design and development, risk management, change control, nonconformance and CAPAs, supplier quality and enterprise learning management, all in a single validated platform. Deploys in weeks, audit ready from day one. If your quality and training records are still living in different systems, it's time to see how eLeaP works. Start with a free trial or schedule a live demo at quality.eleapsoftware.com.